In this video, we're diving into how to create AI avatar videos in minutes using HeyGen without any filming required. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you learn and leverage AI. Now, have you ever wished that you could make a product demo or a training video without setting up lights, cameras, and worrying about your appearance? Maybe you need marketing videos, but you don't have the budget for a studio or a presenter. HeyGen is an AI video generator that turns your text into a polished video complete with a realistic avatar, synced speech, and backgrounds. So in this video, we'll walk through what HeyGen is, how it works, step-by-step instructions, and tips for getting the best results. Why use AI avatar videos? Save time and money. Creating a video usually means planning a script, hiring talent, setting up equipment, filming, and editing. This process can take days and cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. HeyGen reduces the time to minutes. You write a script, pick an avatar, choose a voice, and the platform does the rest. This means even small businesses and solo creators can produce videos that look like a professional production. Stay off camera. Not everyone likes being in front of a camera. You might be camera shy or need to produce content regularly, but you don't want to spend hours on hair and makeup. AI avatars let you deliver your message confidently without appearing on screen yourself. They provide a consistent presence across all your videos. Multilingual and inclusive. HeyGen supports many languages and offers avatars of different ethnicities, genders, and styles. This makes it easier to create content that resonates with global audiences. It also means that you can translate your videos into multiple languages with accurate lip syncing, extending your reach beyond your native language. So HeyGen is a cloud-based platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate videos from text. The key components include AI avatars, so you get lifelike human presenters generated by AI. You can choose from a library of stock avatars, upload a photo to create a custom avatar, or create a video avatar if you're on a higher plan. Avatars blink, move, and gesture naturally. You also get text to video, so you input a script into the editor and HeyGen converts it into speech. The avatar's lips and expressions are synchronized with the audio to look realistic. Voice options. You can choose from dozens of pre-built voices or clone your own voice with an add-on. Voices are available in many languages and accents. Templates and scenes. HeyGen provides templates for marketing, training, announcements, and social media posts. Each template contains pre-designed scenes, layouts, and transitions. You can also start from scratch and design your own scenes. Customization. You can add background images, colors, text overlays, logos, and icons. You can even change the avatar's outfit and adjust the framing and camera angles. Some plans allow you to import music or use background tracks. Step-by-step guide to creating a video in HeyGen. So let's go ahead and sign up now. We'll go ahead and click on this Get Started for Free button, and I'll go ahead and paste in my email here and click Continue. Okay, so after you go ahead and log in, you can choose between their free plan or their creator plan, and this is under the individual. So with the free plan, you can get 3 videos per month, up to 3 minutes, 720p export, standard video processing, 3 avatar IV videos per month. Now with the creator plan, if we select monthly, it's $29 per month, or it's $24 per month effectively when you sign up for annual billing. Now they also have business plans, so you click on the business plan and they've got a team plan at $39 per month, or if you go annual, it'll come out to effectively $30 per month. I'm gonna go ahead and choose a free one for now, and we'll go ahead and select personal for now. Go ahead and click Continue. We'll go ahead and select social media creator, continue. How'd you hear about us? YouTube, because I was watching the AI Academy. What do you want to create first? Let's do a fun and creative project. And click submit. And there we go. We are met here with a nice dashboard. And sweet. Okay, step 2, start a new video project. So let's go ahead. We'll go ahead and click on create here. And then here under create a video, we can choose video agent, create an AI studio. I'm gonna go ahead and just click on use a template here. And maybe we'll come to social media here, maybe e-commerce. We'll go ahead and select this e-commerce
Good afternoon,
template.
everyone. I'm thrilled to have you here as we explore the next generation of skincare. In a world where beauty is personal, one thing remains true. Beauty is never wrong.
So go ahead and click the create in the AI studio and go ahead and let that get started. Step 3, write or import your script. So over here on the left-hand side, we've got the script. So we can go in there and make edits to that. And if I go ahead and delete that, you can see that it go ahead and just goes away. Step 4, select the avatar. So click on the avatar icon to browse available presenters. You can filter by gender, age, ethnicity, or style. Each avatar has a preview so you can see how they look and move. Choose an avatar that matches your brand image and audience. If you have a custom photo, you can upload it to create a personalized avatar. Note that the custom avatars may be limited limited to paid plans and approval can take time. Step 5, choose a voice and language. Now, once you've picked your avatar, select a voice. HeyGen offers voices in numerous languages and tones. If you're on a plan that supports voice cloning, then follow the instructions to record a few minutes of your own voice. The system will then create a clone that can read your script in your voice. Step 6, customize scenes and backgrounds. So each script is broken into scenes. For each scene, you can change the background, choose a solid color, upload an image, or select from HeyGen's library of backgrounds. You can add overlays, insert text boxes, bullet points, icons, or images. Just drag them around the screen and resize them for emphasis. Adjust framing. Zoom in on the avatar or widen the shot. Add camera movements like pan or slide transitions for dynamism. Choose layout. Templates will guide you, but you can rearrange elements. For example, you might place the avatar on the left and the product image on the right. Add music. You can select from royalty-free tracks or upload your own. Adjust the volume so it doesn't overpower the narration. Step 7, generate the video. When you're happy with your script and scenes, click the generate button. HeyGen will process your video. Depending on the length and your plan, this can take a few minutes. You'll see a progress bar and a notification when the video is ready. During generation, the AI synchronizes the avatar's lips and movements with the script and applies your customizations. Step 8, review and edit. Once the video is generated, watch it from start to finish. Check the timing, pronunciation, and visuals. Something feels off, maybe a mispronounced word or an awkward pause, you can edit the script, change the scene timing, or adjust the voice settings. Step 9, download or share. When the video meets your expectations, it's time to export. Free plans allow downloads in 720p, while paid plans support 1080p and 4K. Choose your resolution and format, typically MP4 is best. You can also publish directly to platforms like YouTube or share via a link. If your plan includes a brand kit, apply your logo in brand colors before exporting. So here we are. I'm just gonna go ahead and let this go as is. Again, we have all these options here. We can change our avatar from Annie to something else. We can put her in, a different outfit here, maybe something like that. You can change the emotion, change the voice, change the background. So for now, let's just go ahead and click generate and see what it looks like. We'll call this test video, and your video is longer than 3 minutes. Okay, so this is too long. So let's see if we can go ahead and we'll delete a bunch of these scenes. All right, so when we're ready, we'll go ahead and click generate and we'll go ahead and click submit. Now it's gonna go ahead and work in the background. We'll go ahead and pick that up when it's done. Tips for getting great results. Keep scripts natural. Write the way you speak. Long, complex sentences can make the avatar sound robotic. Use visual aids. Don't rely solely on the avatar. Add images, icons, and text to reinforce your message. Break up long videos. Instead of a 10-minute monologue, create multiple shorter scenes or separate videos. This keeps viewers engaged. Preview voices. Different voices convey different emotions, so take time to select a voice that matches your brand's tone. Check pronunciation. If the AI mispronounces a word, adjust the spelling phonetically. Many TTS systems allow you to add pronunciation to the script. Adjust speed and tone. Some voices allow you to modify speed and pitch. Lower speeds often sound more natural. Update backgrounds. Choose backgrounds relevant to your content. Office scenes for corporate videos, casual spaces for informal messages. Stay consistent. Use the same avatar and style across your videos to build brand recognition. Now to the pros and cons of HeyGen. For the pros, ease of use. The interface is super intuitive. You don't need video editing skills to produce polished content. Realistic avatars. HeyGen's avatars move and emote convincingly, making your videos feel authentic. Multilingual support. You can translate scripts into dozens of languages and get accurate lip syncing. Voice cloning. Higher plans let you clone your own voice for a personal touch. Templates and customization. A wide range of templates really speed up production, while custom options let you fine-tune your look. Time efficiency. Videos generate in minutes, freeing up time for scripting and promotion. Drawbacks. Cost for advanced features. Voice cloning and custom avatars require higher tiers. Limited free plan. The free tier restricts video length and resolution, which might not meet your professional needs. Processing time. While generally quick, long videos or high resolution exports can take more time to render. Avatar diversity. Now, although there are many avatars, you may not find a perfect match for every niche or brand. Support and stability. Some users have reported slow support responses or occasional glitches. Plan ahead for revisions. So HeyGen makes video creation accessible to anyone, regardless of technical skill or budget. By combining AI avatars, text to speech, multilingual support, and customizable templates, it allows allows you to produce professional videos quickly. We walk through signing up, putting our script in, choosing an avatar and theme, and generating and editing the video. So if you're looking for a way to produce engaging videos without the cost and hassle of traditional filming, HeyGen is worth exploring. So if you want to get started with HeyGen, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here on the next video.